Hi friends, Simit here from InformedTrades.com. Today is Monday, June 23rd, 2014. Time for our daily Forex chart review. Basically, in these sessions each day, I share the trades I'm placing, adjustments to existing positions that I have on in the markets, all as part of helping traders learn. You can learn from my successes, learn from my mistakes. My style of trading is price action Forex or price action swing trading in the Forex market. If that doesn't make sense to you, or if there's any terminology I'm using that's unfamiliar to you, I'll be going over things a little quickly. You can definitely check out InformedTrades.com. We have a large archive of learning material, structured video lessons covering not only the way I trade, but many other styles of trading, many other markets. Check it out. Share your knowledge. Ask questions. Set up a practice account. We can all learn and trade together. Okay, so let's get started with a look at the charts. Okay, right now on the screen we see a chart of gold. We had that big up day that closed out last week. So that's we're still above that. We're also broke above this. So this trend line is, I'm actually going to delete this trend line. It's not really very meaningful. And this ABCD pattern also is a little outdated. These charts are from TradingView.com, free charting application. I think they're really great charts. Yeah, so we are now above the 50 simple moving average and the 200 exponential moving average. I think this really puts the bulls at in a very good position. The next level, I guess, if there is a key level to watch, is right here, 1326, which we are coming up against. So 1326, we can actually, I'm going to extend this rectangle a little bit and make it a little wider. But right here, basically. Yeah, so right now, I mean, we're still in this rectangle. You know, need to clear this top, 1326, but I think the bulls are in control. I would, if I was a bear, I'd be definitely be a little concerned, a little reluctant at since price is above the 50 and the 200. We'll see though. Maybe we come back down and test 1280. 1280 is the big support level to watch. 1326 as well. If we break past 1326, not much stopping us to get to 1388 fairly quickly. So that's my take on gold. Bitcoin, as I mentioned, I just have a small position in Bitcoin, which I entered around 530. Now we're at 585. I still think the bulls are in a good position here. Price is above the 50 simple and 200 exponential moving average, above the 50% Fibonacci retracement, which we bounced off of. So I think that's pretty positive for the bulls. We also have what could be a tentative trend line forming. So I'll just draw that from here. So we might have something going here. Let's see if this is defended today. Then that'll confirm this trend line. Let me actually change the style on this trend line a little bit. Make it a little thinner and change the color to something a little brighter. Not that. How about maybe that? There. That's good. Okay. Okay, so that's Bitcoin. You know, let's see if this trend line gets confirmed today. We're above the 50 simple and 200 exponential moving average and bounced off the 50% Fibonacci retracement. I think that's pretty good for the bulls. Euro dollar is a trade I put on last Friday, and I was not expecting it to get filled, but it did get filled, and it's now in the money. So that's nice. That's reassuring. Still have a ways to go. I don't have my target profit levels plotted on here, but basically, let me actually add them. I think it's I don't have my trading account open at the moment. But the stop losses, and I have this information documented on my blog on InformedTrades. It's something like here. Oh, that was the wrong line. Wanted to draw a horizontal line. So my stop loss is I think I entered at 36.10, and my stop loss I think is at 36.50. So my stop loss is right about there, and even though it says target profit, let me show text. And I think I entered at 36.10. Entered at 36.10. My stop is at 36.50. and my target profit is right down here, something like this. And I can change the style of this. I have the exact coordinates on my blog on InformedTrades.com. But it's something like this. The reward risk is, of course, 3 to 1. At least it's actually greater than that. So far that trade's looking good. Below the key moving averages. We're in a downtrend, then came up to the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement, had reversal candlesticks forming there, as well as these. This is the 200 exponential moving average. So I thought that was a good opportunity to go short. We had some natural resistance there as well. So that was a good opportunity to go short. So far in the money on that. Today, I just placed an order on Euro Yen. Okay, here's the order. So it's actually a pretty similar pattern. We're in a downtrend. We came up to the 200 exponential moving average. Well, we didn't bounce off the 200 exponential moving average. We bounced off it here, June 13th. Then we headed back up in the midst of a downtrend. 50% pullback. This support level, established here in February of 2014. You can say there's a little reestablished here in May of 2014. We have reversal candlesticks here too as well. Let me zoom in. Maybe you can see those a little more clearly. Yeah. So this here, right here, especially this doji right here, at this resistance level, which is also 50% Fibonacci retracement, in the midst of a downtrend below the 50 simple moving average here. So I thought all those were signs to enter. I already had the short euro dollar position, so I thought there was weakness in euro across or on all their pairs as well. And I saw euro yen. This is just an example, but if we look at pound yen, do that real quick. We also see in all the other yen pairs, there's that doji candle that came up. So we had this reversal candlestick, right? This type of reversal candlestick, and on the euro yen, I thought it was the clearest, where you had the reversal candlestick, you had resistance, you had the 200 exponential moving average, you had a lot of signs there. I didn't see as many signs as the others, but I did see signs of yen strength in general, some signs, especially that reversal candlestick on a lot of pairs. Okay, so in terms of the actual specifics here, very similar to the euro dollar trade I have on. I'm set to go short at 138.65. My stop loss is at 139.05, and my target profit is at 137.15. So what's this come out to? I'm looking to gain 150 pips and risking 40. So that's a reward risk of about 3.75 to 1. That's pretty solid. It beats over the 3 to 1 that I want. It meets all the requirements. I'm seeing euro weakness and yen strength on other pairs as well. Meets all technical requirements of having a pullback and a trend, multiple indicators. So that's good. I'll have this trade documented on my blog on InformedTrades as well. Any questions you have, anything you want to add, join us at InformedTrades. Best of luck in your trading, and we'll see you tomorrow. Take care.